Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online just by hitting the like button. This website is free and it pays with PayPal. Make sure to follow all the steps presented to effectively generate more revenue. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. People are paid every day from all over the world and they may all cash out right now. This is a platform we've never talked about before. It's brand new and there are a lot of individuals who are scared to join. I'd like you to think about something for a minute. You've probably been using social media for a long time. I've been using it for about a decade now and it's served me well. Take a look at your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and other social media platforms to see how many likes you have. The number is most certainly in the tens of thousands. But if you join up for this free tool, each like you leave will be worth money from now on. You'll be paid for each as if you were living on all of those social media platforms. And it doesn't matter where you live because it's a global operation. So, we'll get started with a step-by-step guide shortly, but first, let me show you Withdrawal Proof because some of you noted in previous videos that I never showed you how to actually withdraw money from the website. That's all there is to it. It's extremely simple. You'll log into your account, check your balance, and if it's more than $2, you can request to cash out via PayPal, allowing you to obtain some free PayPal money. You'll enter the amount you want to withdraw, such as $500. You can type any amount on your balance right here. Then enter your PayPal email address, select the method of payment, and click Request Cash Out. It's that easy, and you'll receive your money in 1 to 10 days, which you may use as you want. Now, if you check out their payment proofs right here, you'll see that they paid out a total of $18,415.20 to their users, implying that these are people from all over the world who are paid every day, if not hour. Hundreds of them make money simply by leaving likes on other people's posts. So it's a total of over $8,000 and it's a brand new platform that we've never discussed before. Now I'll show you this brand new app in a minute, but first let me show you that if you hover your mouse over Earn Points Money, you can see that you can get paid for Facebook likes, YouTube likes, Instagram likes, Twitter likes, even clicking on websites and much more. And they also have daily contests and daily bonuses that will give you free points and money just for logging in every day. For logging in every day, you will gain 200 points, which you can then trade for real money. This implies that even if you don't like it, you can still get paid and earn money by checking into your account on a daily basis. Now, if you remain with me until the end of the video, I'll show you an additional way to make a lot more money with this website. Without liking those Facebook posts, Instagram posts, Twitter posts, YouTube videos, or anything else, you can earn hundreds of dollars. If you don't want to do the legwork yourself, stick around until the end of the video and I'll show you how to automate the entire process for free. Let me now give you an example of how this website operates and how you may profit from it. Assume I'm going to be compensated for leaving YouTube likes. All I have to do now is go to this page and click the like button. And I'll be able to like and be paid for all of those different videos. Let's pretend I'm interested in this video. I'll just click the like button right here to go to YouTube and view the video for approximately 4 seconds. It's as simple as like the video, returning to the site, and my money will be collected. You can pretty much do the same thing over and over again. If you run out of videos to like on this page, scroll down and click on Load More Pages, which will bring up more YouTube videos for you to like and earn money from. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Let me show you how simple it is. Simply click the like button to be sent to YouTube, where you can like the video, return to the platform, and your points will be added automatically. Following that, you have complete freedom to do whatever you choose. If you want to maximize your results, that's all there is to it. All you have to do is click the like button. You can also use alternate platforms to earn points while saving money. You can also leave Facebook and Instagram likes as previously stated. Let's pretend I wish to supplement my income by leaving Instagram likes. I'm going to click on photo likes right now, which will send me to this website where I can start loving those posts. I'll simply click the like button to be taken to Instagram. I'll simply click the like button and return to the platform where my points will be added as soon as possible. Obviously, because 5,000 points equals $1, this will not make you wealthy on a daily basis, but it will provide you with some extra income for simply leaving likes on social media. It's actually rather good and it's available for no cost. This is now known as Likesplanet.com, and the website is also known as Likesplanet.com. Let me just log out for a moment so I can teach you how to sign up, how it works, and how to properly configure it. Stay tuned because I will show you how to use this website to maximize your results and generate money automatically, so stay tuned. All you have to do now is click the registration button here once you've arrived at Likesplanet.com. The website's abundance of information and buttons may appear complex, but they're all superfluous. All you have to do is click the register button to create a fully free account. You may now create something unique for your own account by entering your valid email address, making a password in these two boxes, filling out the CAPTCHA, and clicking register. Once you've logged in, this is how your brand new account will look. As a result, you'll be able to keep track of your points right here. Because it's a brand new account that was created just a minute ago, there won't be any points now, but that will change very soon. Once you've started and leaving likes on those social media platforms, you'll see that they routinely run contests in which you can win extra points in cash, such as up to 600 points every day. You'll also earn a 200-point daily bonus, which isn't bad. You decide whether or not to withdraw funds from Likesplanet. All you have to do now is click the payout button to return to the screen I showed you at the beginning of this video. That's how you withdraw money from Likesplanet. To gather money, though, hover your cursor over the Earn Points / Money button and choose the social networking platform you want to use. You can make money by visiting websites or simply clicking on links in addition to leaving likes. You will be compensated simply by clicking on the link. So as I demonstrated in this video, all you have to do is choose the platform you want to leave likes on and hit the like button. You can earn points that can later be converted into actual money. I'll teach you how to automate the entire process and generate some passive income if you remain with me, like I promised at the beginning of the video. Join the referral program to earn 50 points for each referral you submit, as well as 100 points for each active referral and 0.1 points for each visit to the referral link. It's crazy! You'll get points merely for clicking on your referral link, and you'll get 50% off the income made by your recommendation. As a result, if a buddy you recommended earns $1,000, you will automatically receive $500. They will not lose $500, they will earn $1,000, and you will receive an additional $500 from Likesplanet as a bonus for referring them. Now, all you have to do is hover your mouse over this link and select Earn by Referral. Take this second referral link now to get your unique referral link, which you can share with others to encourage them to join. So that will drive them to the registration page because you will be compensated if they sign up. So they have a decent referral program that will allow you to make a decent amount of money even if you don't live like a millionaire. If you don't want to bother your friends and family, there are other traffic sources you can use to attract people who want to make money with this website. As a result, you'll be able to refer tens of thousands of individuals and receive passive money for the rest of your life. One of the best free traffic sources you can use to find people who would join up using your link and earn some passive income with Likesplanet is Trindry.com, a make money online forum where people who are interested in earning money online meet. Join some of these trends right here. As you can see, there are a lot of people on these platforms, and compose a message saying something like, "This website will pay you to leave likes on YouTube and Facebook." It's absolutely free and you can sign up by clicking on the link below. Simply post your link somewhere where thousands of others might see it and possibly sign up, because it's entirely free and they'll be able to earn money doing something they already enjoy. Many of them will be willing to sign up using your referral link because they won't have to spend anything. So that's one of the traffic sources, Trindry.com. And then you can use Facebook to share other Facebook groups about making money online. They have hundreds of thousands of individuals who will gladly use your referral link, because you are once again providing something that works, something that is entirely free and will assist them in earning money simply by liking items on social media. As a result, locating a large number of references in any of these groupings will be simple. As you can see, your referral link has the potential to reach hundreds of thousands of people. Finally, there's Quora.com, a site where people can come together to learn new topics and ask and answer questions. So if you search for how to earn money online or make money online, you'll receive a list of all the people who have asked the questions, and you can start responding to them, informing them that this company will pay them for leaving likes on social media and posting your Quora referral link. You have the possibility to be viewed by hundreds of thousands of people because our website is visited by millions of people every month. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you in the next video.